Hello friends, welcome to Pritha Genesis channel. Now this is the 9th painting of my series और ये है एक rose का painting which I have done on handmade paper. I have already created the layout from the reference picture with the white pencil and now I am using the soft pastels to work on it. So first I will be using only red and white color of soft pastel and doing this reference painting, copying the reference painting. अबाउट द हैंडमेड पेपर जो मैं यहाँ यूज़ कर रही हूँ दैट इज़ नॉर्मल हैंडमेड पेपर और इसका कोई कैटेगरी नहीं है and it has lot of tooth in it and texture in it. That's why I'm using it especially for soft pastels. It is very easy to work with on it. So और ये this is going to be a very quick video. Hopefully you will like it and if you are following along with it and doing it, please let me know on any of the social media channels and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and enjoy the video.